spicy Italian sausage. Or taste our new spinach Alfredo pizza. Just $11 each for a large. Order now at the new PapaJohns.com. Better ingredients, better
Get her, Toad. Get her.
Get your tail, Toby. Look. Ow!
Congratulations to Doc Hilliard of Red Bank. She won a 42-inch HD TV just by watching Channel 3 Eyewitness News today. Megan Boatwright was on hand to help Doc when she stopped by Channel 3 to pick up.
God.
Keep watching, and you could be our next winner.
I think the biggest mystery in my family is what happened to my grandfather, my mother's father, who disappeared when she was about 8 years old.
Her hunt takes her to Liverpool, England, to explore the mystery of who her grandfather really was. And why he abandoned her mother. Never to
Get your tail, Toby.
heard from again.
The only picture that we have of him
Get it.
looks like a phantom at the window.
As Kim continues to put the pieces of the puzzle together,
He knew my granddad. Gotcha. I'm right behind you.
What is this?
What? Who do you think you are? It's
she never would have expected.
Toby. Toby, come here. Come here, Toby.
DJ Pooh.
Get your tail. Ooh.
I wonder if he can see himself.
Toby.
When you beat up the neighborhood bully, it's supposed to live happily ever after.